Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kuromi. So first we're going to get started with the skull in the middle, and we're going to start by arching this line around and then back in on the right. On both sides we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, and then we're going to connect this together from left to right. In the middle we're going to draw in two lines that come up towards the top. For the eye on the left we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. And then we'll line this up at the same height on the right hand side and replicate that. Now let's draw the rest of the face. So coming down, we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the left. And then from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line out on the right. Now on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this line back around and then in, blending that together on the bottom. For the eyes, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes in on both sides. And then we're going to connect this together by arching this line around and then up. And then again on the side, just drawing in a small diagonal line that comes out. Now for the nose, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a small circle underneath. Let's draw in the shape of the head now. So coming over on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that, curving this line back around and then in, blending that together. For the ear, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we're going to bring this diagonal line further over towards the side of our page, just leaving a gap. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Again, from that corner on the bottom, we're just going to bring this diagonal line all the way down on the right. And then on the left, we're just going to bring this diagonal line out, leaving a gap. And now from that corner, we're going to bring this line in on the left. Now on both sides, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then again on the left and right hand side, moving down, we're going to draw in another circle. Let's connect these all together now. So from this corner, we're going to bring our diagonal line out on both sides. Now we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to bring in a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle from both sides. Let's draw on the arms now. So on the inside, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come in towards the middle. For our hand, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then again from that corner, we're just going to draw in our diagonal line that comes out. Let's draw on the foot now. So coming over on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. On the top now for the legs, we're going to curve this line in on both sides. And then on the bottom, we're going to curve this line in towards our hands. And then we'll close this off in the middle. And then on the back, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines that come in towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Kuromi. You can pause the video and color the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.